Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we stop talkback in a Tecno phone device. Friends, we want to stop your phone talkback settings. So friend, how can you stop it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. Friends, we have got this setting in your Tecno phone and guys you don't know how to stop get this setting guys, and guys now you are not operating your phone. So friend, how can we stop this talkback setting guys? So friend, you will have to on guys your phone setting, but guys you will have to use guys your two finger first of all. So when we will scroll it, guys click on your phone setting, one tap, wait, guys double tap, continue, double tap, continue. So when you can use this setting like that. So when scroll with your two finger guys your phone screen guys, swipe swipe swipe, special function, one tap guys, wait, double tap, accessibility, one tap guys, double tap again, guys scroll it with your two finger guys, you can see one finger will not work. TalkBack guys, tap here to stop it, double tap. Use TalkBack guys, right side icon, tap here, double tap, stop TalkBack. Once you want to stop, so as you can stop from here, your double tap to off. Means your TalkBack will stop in your Technophone device. So as you can operate your phone without this TalkBack. So like that guy, we can stop TalkBack. So bye guys.